YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Life with Ashley Lorraine. I am Ashley and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to be making my version of the Popeye's chicken sandwich. I am actually just winging it, y'all. There's really like no special Popeye's recipe that I'm following. I am just winging it and making the sandwich the way that I would make the sandwich. So please go ahead and subscribe and also go ahead and like this video. Okay, so before I get started with the chicken, we're gonna have waffle fries. As you can see, I already got my grease going for frying. I'm gonna put it in my deep fryer right here. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get these waffle fries into the oven. Let me sprinkle a little sea salt on these. So yeah, so I did go ahead and put the fries in the oven. I do like my fries in the oven. I don't eat a lot of fried foods, so most of the time I will bake it. Whatever it is, I'll bake it in the oven just because I just don't eat a lot of fried foods these days. Today we're making Popeye's chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna go ahead and fry the chicken for the chicken sandwiches, but I am gonna continue on with my normal routine and I'm gonna bake the fries in the oven. So we got some chicken breasts right here, and they're just regular like Purdue chicken breasts. I think Purdue or Tyson, or just regular chicken breasts. I normally, when I buy chicken breasts, I normally buy them thin because they're so fat these days, the chicken breasts. But I went ahead and bought just one small pack that was regular for the purposes of the chicken sandwich, because we want to have like a nice big juicy piece of meat on the sandwich. So for the purposes of the sandwich, we're going to stick with the regular chicken breast. I did cut them. I did cut two of the chicken breasts in half, just because so like I cut, this is like half of a chicken breast. So because the kids, you know, we have the kids and they don't want like a big huge piece of chicken on their sandwich. So this is big enough as it is. So I did cut two of them in half. There were 3 chicken breasts. I cut 2 of them in half. I left one of them whole. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the chicken in my bowl right here that I have here. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna season it with. I already rinsed the chicken. Yes, I rinsed my chicken. And I actually work in the food industry, and I know why they say don't rinse the chicken. I get it, but it's just a natural, it's just a, I don't know, it's just, I just rinsed the chicken. Just rinsed the chicken. Okay, so the chicken is already rinsed. And as you can see, these are still pretty big pieces, and this is cut in half. So the pieces are still pretty big. And then this is one that I just left whole. Why are you frowning at the chicken? You don't like it?
It's whole and disgusting.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season the chicken in the bowl. And I'm gonna use a little bit of Creole seasoning. And I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic powder. Garlic powder. And I'm gonna use a little bit of black pepper.
Greasy and soft and mushy and squishy.
So add a little bit more seasoning, and I'll show you guys how. I'm not measuring any seasonings, guys. We're not doing that. I'm just going with the flow here. So here's what we have seasoned. And then I'm gonna just pour in a little flour here. And I'm gonna try not to use too much because most of the time I usually find myself going overboard with the flour. So
Overboard.
I'm not gonna use that much flour. Because that's about how much flour I put in there. That's probably too much. I usually go overboard with the flour, but whatever. So I'm also gonna add some water.
Water.
Just a little bit of water to the batter. And then I'm just gonna mix it up.
Look at that batter.
Okay, and so this is kind of what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. We're just gonna add our couple of pieces. Fryer is already hot.
Yeah.
And so we're just gonna add, I'll probably have to do 2 pieces at a time.
Yeah. It wouldn't be hard with
So
2 pieces at least.
We'll do the 2 big pieces first. Okay. And then we're just gonna dip it down and it's gonna go down in the fryer and it's frying.
It's all bubbly.
Okay. Alright, so here's the big reveal, guys. Let's see what we got.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I think it's done.
Oh my god. We made spicy mayo. Actually, Mom found it from the internet. And here it is.
Can I see you?
What?
Can I see you? It kind of fell apart, but this chicken,
No.
this chicken is juicy.
Have a bite.
It's crunchy and it's juicy.
Have a bite.
So the chicken is good.
It's good.
Period. Girl, is there a reason why your foot's on the table? Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.